Hello dear students, greetings to all of you. I hope you are fine and enjoying at your home. So in today's lecture we are going to learn about the adjective and its kind. So I will teach you here briefly that what is an adjective, what is an adjective and what are its type. So without delay let's start. But there is one request to you that if you like our YouTube channel and videos, so please like, share and subscribe the channel that you can get the notification whenever I will upload any another video. Okay, so please do that. Okay, let's start our class. So first of all, let us understand what is an adjective. Okay, so here I will explain you in different words that what is an adjective. So first one thing that is we have to learn about an adjective describes a noun or pronoun. It simply means that it describes, explains noun or pronoun. In other words, an adjective answers. An adjective answers with what kind of the questions? Let's know what kind, which one, or how many. What kind, which one, and how many. That let us understand what kind. Happy dog, sad dog. These are the kinds. But which one? That one or tired boy. That tired boy. The next one. How many? 7 girls. So adjective answers what kind, which one, and how many. I hope you have understand. If you couldn't, then I will try to explain you in another slide. So here is another one slide that you can understand here what is the adjective. So adjective is a word which describes a noun or pronoun, as I explained you. In another words, adjective is the word which is used to modify a noun or pronoun. In simple words, in simple manner, if I explain you, an adjective is a word that shows the quality of noun or pronoun. An adjective is a word that shows what the quality of noun or pronoun. How? Tall, short, green, blue, big, small, some, many, 5, 10, fat, thin, thick, etc. Let me explain you some examples. How does it show the quality? Ram is running fastly. Ram is running fastly. So here it is showing the quality that how Ram is running. So Ram is running how? How he is running? He is running fastly. He is a good boy. So here it is showing that the what kind of the boy he is. He is a good boy. How many people? 7 people are running. So it can we can understand that 7 people are running. Okay. So it shows means an adjective shows quality of noun or pronoun. Okay, let's go ahead and understand its types. So here are some types of adjectives which are, so there are 6 kinds of the adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, demonstrative, and last one is exclamatory. So I will not explain you the exclamatory adjective. Okay, we will understand only 5 kinds of the adjective which are so important and we use it. Okay, so here are all the 5 adjectives, but after this class, means after the end of the slide, I will explain you this one. Okay, so we are going to further. So here is the first one, kinds of adjective we are going to learn. We are going to learn kinds of adjective. So here it is kinds of adjective. It is the first one, adjective of quantity. Tells how many or how much. Quantity we can understand. Quantity means what? Number. Quantity means number. कितनी संख्या में है. So definite and indefinite. These are the 2 kinds In adjective of quantity, these are of two kinds, definite and indefinite. One boy, it means that it is showing that one boy. But if we are talk about some water, not showing that 1 liter, 2 liter, 2 glass, 3 glass, 4 glass. Okay, 3 pens, many pencils. Many means it can be one. Sorry, it cannot be one. It can be two or more than two. Second girl, it is showing definite, all man. Okay, so these are the kinds of an adjective which I have explained you. It was the adjective of quantity, and I have explained you definite and indefinite. Both I have explained you. Okay. Further, we will watch. I will explain you the demonstrative adjective. What is it? And demonstrative adjective. What is the demonstrative adjective? We are going to learn in this slide. So let us understand. An adjective which specifies a noun called a demonstrative adjective. Okay, again I am going to repeat the line. An adjective which specifies a noun is called a demonstrative adjective. How? It points out a fact about a person or thing. How? It shows these, that, these. Okay, demonstrative pronoun means shows. What shows? To point out something. How do we point out? That we say, this is my land, that is my dog, these are my pens. We do use now. So these, that, these, those, as I have explained you earlier also, what are the uses of these, that, these, those. Okay, so we can understand. So is it's very easy, you can understand yourself also. But if you don't know, so even I'm going to explain you that you can understand it very well and betterly. So this puppy is mine, that woman is mine, these spiders have a long legs, those kids are beautiful. So these are some kinds of demonstrative adjective which is used to show, to point out something. Let's understand the another one, that is the interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective which possesses question in an interrogative manner, it is called an interrogative adjective. How? Let's understand. Like most adjectives, an interrogative adjectives come before a noun. How do we use? Which school do you go to? तुम कौन से स्कूल जाते हो? It is used to ask questions. What color is your new car? Whose cap is this? It is used to ask some question. That is why it is the interrogative adjective. Okay, in adjective means to show the quality. It is showing here. Which school do you go to? Okay, it will tell what kind of this school. What color is your new car? It means showing the car of the color. I'm having a red car. I'm having a red car. Okay, so red is the adjective here. Whose cap is this? Okay. Further, we are going to understand the another one, adjective of quality. An adjective that tells us about the kinds of a person, a place, or thing. Okay. Quality means to show about, to talk about a person, place, or thing. We are referring to is called an adjective of quality. Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. I read an interesting book. So here it is telling about wealthy man. So who is a wealthy man? Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is a noun, and it is showing here his quality. He is a good boy. So good is also quality. He is a bad boy. Okay, understand, we can understand. I read an interesting book. So he read a book, but it was an interesting book. Okay, so here it is showing the quality of a noun. So I hope you have understand it very well. Let's understand the next one. It is showing the number of the adjective. How do we use? Number adjectives are used to show the number of thing or the numerical order of thing. How? 2 horses, 10 fingers, 10 candles. You can understand it very well. Okay, so I'm not going to explain you this one. So before ending the class, let's go. Okay, here, as I explained you, what I told you in the earlier. I told you now that after explaining you all the individual kinds of the adjectives, I will explain you at a place, at a one place only. So here is the adjective of quality. Describe the nature of noun. Describe the nature of noun. How? Honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. Sarah is a beautiful woman, so it was the quality. These are the honest. He is an honest man. He is a kind man. Okay. The next one is adjective of quantity. Help to show the amount of or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. Have, all, have, many, few, little, enough, etc. Example is also given here. They have finished most of the rice. So this was the example. Now let us understand adjective of number. Show the number of noun and their places in an order. Definite, numeral adjective, indefinite, distributive, as I explained you. Interrogative is used to ask question, used to ask questions about noun or in relation to noun. Where, what, which, and whose. Which is your favorite color? So here is a color. We are talking about the which is, we are talking here about the author. The next one and the last one is demonstrative adjective, used to refer an individual nouns with the whole amount, either, neither, each other, another, this, that. Okay, so these were the types. So at last we have, we can say that we have learned about the types of the adjective and its definition, so you don't have to forget. So here is a, again I'm going to tell you that this is our YouTube channel, Sri Ambika Online Classes. Okay, this is for you only, that this was the corona time when I have started this channel. That's I can serve the nation, to our country, to the students, for giving, by giving them knowledge. Okay, my motto is only to give you the knowledge. There is nothing else. So if you like this video and understand about the adjective and its kinds, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel, that you can get the new notification. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.